I'd like to use my first 90-second statement to pay tribute to Rebecca Evans, who was killed in a car accident on the M4 at Talbot last year, along with her 8-month unborn baby. Many members in the Chamber will know Rebecca through her work as Shelter Cymru's Education and Youth Officer, and in fact I met her many times to discuss my financial education bill. She and her husband Alex were on their way to work at Shelter Cymru when that crash happened, and their 2-year-old son was also seriously hurt. Rebecca was only 27, but in her 5 years working for Shelter Cymru, she had built its Education and Youth Information Service, which in turn has helped thousands of young people to understand the practical steps they need to take to live independently. Her devastated colleagues have said that without her passion and commitment to young people, many would have faced homelessness and an uncertain future. She also campaigned with young people for the inclusion of practical leaving home support to be included within the Welsh curriculum. One of Rebecca's last pieces of work was with Swansea Pupil Referral Unit, helping young people to gain an Agored Cymru qualification in personal and social education in homelessness and housing, a unit she designed herself. The unit workers told Rebecca that her determination got them all through this qualification, and she would not give up on anyone and would always find a way to make things work. Rebecca from Bridgend was part of Encore, an English and Welsh-speaking stage school aimed at budding young stars from age 4 to 18. She was also an accomplished dancer. I think all members will agree that Wales will be poorer for Rebecca's passing.